Hi. Okay. This is Rakshada. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've already subscribed, well, welcome back. So I'm just gonna show you the ingredients. I'm just prepping like the dry ingredients first. Okay, now the recipe has 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm like all over the place, but yeah. So now we need 1/3 cup of like brown and white sugar. All my cups, first of all, are wet because I washed them right now. I'm just like, it's like baking is supposed to relax you a bit, but then it does the opposite for me because I've already created this mess. Okay, I just realized something. The butter and the sugar has to be creamed together, and I put it in the flour, so I think I'm just gonna take it out of the flour and like mix these two together. I already messed up, but anyway, we keep going. So wait, so the drying okay. I was just seeing the recipe and the dry ingredients are like all together, so I'm just gonna see like what else are we supposed to do now. I mean the bananas and the eggs. Let's do that. When you're making banana bread, you want the bananas to become like really ripe because that's where all the flavor comes in from. My whole kitchen is a mess, and luckily my mom's not here right now, so I can kind of do it, but I'll have to clean up later anyway. So anyway, you can add more bananas like if you want, depending on like how much banana flavor you like. But this is like a recipe I'm trying of this like trusted YouTuber who is apparently like, well, he's good with his recipes, so I just wanted to follow the exact same recipe of his. And he uses 2 bananas. Like if you want a more gooey sort of banana bread and you like more banana flavor, so I don't know, you can add more of it if you want. Okay, so this is done. It's very mushy. Okay, let's go back to the station. Okay, I forgot the vanilla essence. Like, I'm forgetting so many things today, and I'm gonna put just a little. So now we're gonna mix like this banana, sorry, the egg portion that we have, and we're gonna mix the dry ingredients and top it off little by little with the banana. And at the last, I'm gonna pour the chocolate chip. Okay, one more thing, you don't have to like over mix it because you want like to incorporate air, but you still want to keep it a little lumpy because it's a bread, like little chunky. Just took some butter and I like lined the whole pan. Now yeah, I know like a banana bread is supposed to be in like a longer format, but the really long mold that I have is like really long, and I don't think the batter is going to completely spread out in it. So I'm just going to use this. So I've lined. So now I'm going to pour the. Oh wait, I need to mix it. Should I just put all the dark chocolate? It's done. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in at 180 degrees